It's regarding the Islamic insurance. The sister wants to know what's the position of insurance, life insurance in Islam, and is there any halal insurance or Islamic insurance?
What's the position of life insurance in Islam? Is there any halal insurance in Islam? Insurance involved in riba. Most of the insurance companies in the secular world is involved in riba activities. Life insurance as well as other insurances. So the transactions with riba, with interest, in the name of insurance or in the name of anything else, it's haram. It is not allowed. But a social security system is allowed. That is what Islamic insurance is, as far as I know. Islamic insurance is an insurance. It doesn't involve in any riba connected activities. It is a social security system collecting money from various people, from a lot of people on a contract that if a person meet any accident or anything, he will be paid this much of amount. That is the basis of Islamic insurance system. That is a social security system without in connection with riba is halal. All other insurance which are connected with riba system is not allowed.
Jazakallah.